I'm David Crunkleton, General Manager here at Vengeance Racing, and I'm here to present to you our all-new performance packages for the 6th Gen 2017 and up Camaro ZL1. We've taken the last several years to develop and perfect our packages to meet any of our customers' goals and needs with their Camaro. Our packages feature upgrades ranging from 25 horsepower to over 500 horsepower gains over stock using either the LT4 Supercharger that the car comes with, the Whipple 2.9 liter upgraded supercharger, or even the ProCharger centrifugal system. Whether your goals are just something basic for your daily driver or to set the best ET at the track, we have something available for everybody. Our base packages focus around the LT4 Supercharger that the vehicle came with. We start with a Stage 1 upgrade that includes a cold air induction package, installation, and custom ECU calibration to give a 25 to 30 horsepower increase while keeping stock drivability and sound for those looking for a very simple upgrade at a lower budget. You can then build from there all the way up to our Stage 5 that includes a heads and cam package and full bolt-ons to absolutely maximize the performance capabilities of this LT4 Supercharger. Now, if our Stage 5 package with the LT4 Supercharger still isn't enough, we have a street and race package available featuring the new Whipple 2.9 liter Supercharger upgrade. This Supercharger directly replaces the LT4 Supercharger while keeping everything else the same, but at the same time giving you more efficiency, better cooling, and overall more performance. The street package uses 93 octane fuel and centers around our Stage 5 package offerings for the other Supercharger, whereas our race package adds in a full fuel system for E85 and an upgraded heat exchanger with a trunk tank if you're looking for the absolute maximum performance from the Whipple. And last, but certainly not least, are our ProCharger performance packages. ProCharger offers a centrifugal supercharger with multiple head unit designs to meet anybody's performance goals. The ProCharger replaces the OEM supercharger and allows for more peak RPM power while reducing a little bit of the bottom end torque to help gain better traction and a faster ET down the drag strip. We offer both a street and race package for this as well, with power increases ranging from 250 to 275 horsepower over stock on the street package and 450 to over 500 horsepower over stock on the race package. So, whether your goals are to increase the power in your daily driver, dominate at the road course, or set the quickest ET at the drag strip, we have something to meet everybody's needs. All of our packages are also completely customizable, including different finishes for the aftermarket superchargers, suspension and braking upgrades, wheel and tire packages, or even our valve covers with a coil relocation kit to really clean up the engine bay. Make sure to head to our website at vengeanceracing.net and you can view all of these packages in greater detail with pricing and estimated horsepower, or you can email us at sales@vengeanceracing.net or call our shop at 678-513-7105 and we'll be happy to discuss your goals so that we can pick the best package to meet your needs.